there. The AKASO action camera EK700. Alright. There's a dude walking on a cliff or something. It's Ultra HD 4K. Integrated wireless. That's cool. Says it's got a remote. I could probably put that on my handlebars. 170 angle lens, which is like that. Open the box. Slide this out. Ooh, fancy, fancy. Here we go. So this is the case that this one comes in, as you can see. Real nice. Okay, so I would say it's similar, if not identical, to this case. So I guess these are your zoom in, zoom out. This is your power. This is your shutter button. And it comes with this thing. I actually appreciate that this comes with this. And to take this out, I guess just, ooh, real easy. Okay. Alright. This pops out. Just like that. It's a little camera right there. And Ultra HD Wi-Fi, AKASO. I think I have to get the app in order to use it. And it's got all this cool stuff here. It's probably the charging wire. Oh, big box. This corner, we have a spare case or viewfinder shield. I guess this is what they give you just in case yours breaks, or they'll give you a charging station. Very nice. I mean, it looks just like the charging station I have for this one, and I already have like 4 batteries, so that's awesome. Oh, they give you another one of these armature things, so that's cool, right? Have something. Oh, this is the battery, so I guess they give you, what, 2 batteries? I'm trying to think as I film this, what am I going to eat today? I woke up at 8 and was not feeling good. Partly because of what I had for dinner, and I should have known better. Chinese takeout. I will just destroy this box. Oh, sweet, they give you 2 batteries. Let's take a look at these. Okay. Alright. Hopefully I can still use the other batteries that I have that are the Batmax brand. Oh, they give you one of these. Nice. This is what I can use on the tripod that I'm filming with right now because I lost it. Got more brackets. I'm going to guess this is like a belt clip because it's got some additional straps here. Like, let's see here. This is zip ties and some kind of steel wire. Oh, and they give you like these 3M backing foam pads. I guess if I want to mount it on my helmet and stuff, I can do that. Not a lot of gear. This is good. Good value, I'd say. I think this was like $50. Oops. Quick release clip, like one of these. And the one that's on here, like if you want something taller, so you have choices, right? I think this is a arm strap or head strap. Not sure. What else? Wow, they give you a lot of gear. They gave you another one of these brackets to add on. More quick release bases, right? These are what you put on like your dashboard, on your headlight if you want to mount it and just have your quick release go in and out and stuff. They give you 2 of those, so that's pretty awesome. Wow, great job, AKASO. Hopefully you can see what I can film, what I'm showing you. Oh, this is the handlebar mount, so you can use this. Super value. They gave you a micro USB, just in case you're wondering. Micro USB. This is the remote. More brackets. I think this is the one that you want to use for your tripod style mount, which is this plastic case that we showed before. I think we're at the last piece of hardware, and this is another one of those adjustable arm pieces. Cool card. AKASO Go Club. Very neat. Instructions that I'm going to read into later on. That's it. So there you have it, folks. That was pretty much a lineup of all the gear and equipment that comes with the AKASO EK700 action camera. Alright, so I got my iced coffee in there, got the bike out, you know. Yeah, the weather isn't great, but I mean, got my rain jacket on, little snowman on my helmet. Oh, the snowman. I just don't know why I don't have the Yamaha badge on his scarf. It was on his scarf, like on Valentino Rossi's helmet. Like, the snowman had a scarf with the Yamaha badge. But in any case, we are here in the parking lot. one thing, and that's just practice ride. Practice, practice, practice. And we just got to gear up again. Mainly put on my helmet, put on the music, and we're just going to hit this parking lot. And if this thing dies, or if I switch it around and the battery's still low, I'll just pop in another battery. Let's go. I was originally planning on doing a one take. Man, this really fits in one shot. That's awesome. So right now I'm standing about, I don't know, standing about 3 feet away from the bike, and it's able to fit the whole thing in the shot. Posted up outside of this church right here, and I really hope that I'm not talking too loud. But it seems like the battery is low again, so I'll just have to pop in another one before I continue. Take a quick look at that right there. Not bad, right? How about that for a thumbnail? Yes, folks. Yes. That's hot, right?